Hello YouTube, this is the beginning of the story of Lexus, the German Shepherd dog. Lexus will be raised and trained to be my travel companion as I set out over the summer to explore the country in my homemade toy-car camper. This is not my first German Shepherd dog, but the first I will raise to join me on the travel adventure. So begins Lexus training. Please subscribe to see Lexus life adventure as we start training and then eventually head out on the road. Thank you.
Get her legs. Get her legs. Hey, Lex, what are you eating? What are you eating, Lex? It's nice out now. We can go for a walk. Lex, come on. Watch your biting dog.